Hello student, welcome my YouTube channel Agriculture Economics. In last videos or last lecture, I was cover the first topic of democracy, meaning definition and classification of democracy. In second video and in this video, I will cover the principle of democracy or dimension of democracy. Now we can see in the one by one. There are different types of principles or dimension of the democracy. The principle of democracy, in that there are the four different principles of democracy: government by the consent, public accountability, majority of the rule, and constitutional government and rule of the law. These are the four different types of the principles of democracy. Then next, dimensions of the democracy, in that three different dimensions of democracy we can see one by one. First of all, we can see in the principle of democracy. Then I will explain the dimension of the democracy. Now, principle of the democracy. In that, first principle is the government by consent. The democracy is government by consent of the people. The rational consent, it can be obtained by the precautions which is the atmosphere of the free discussion of the essential. Consent is obtained by the two levels. First is the among the representative of the people in the legislature assembly, where the members of opposition have their full say, and public level, where the direct communication between the legislature. Those are the two different consent in the government. Then second is the public accountability. It is essential, means representative must remain the answerable to the public. Means we can select one representative. The representative is the answerable to the people. These are the second principle of the democracy. We have seen earlier that democracy essentially is based on the public consent. Therefore, it implies that the government should be responsible and responsive to the people. Then whatever we will aspiration of the people or the government should be attempt to fulfill, realize those if they fail will within the constitutional framework of the countries. Those are the public accountability. Then third principle of democracy is the majority of the rule. A modern representative democracies decision are taken the several bodies right from the electing of the government. It should be community or committees that are be constituted. It means that the all decision or power are taken by the majority of the rules, or take electing the one committee or form of the one committee and take a decision of the government. In the it is considered that the heart of the democratic system, that all the issues in all bodies from the legislature to cabinet, executive and their committee are resolved through the majority decision. Means any issues related to government or the issue can solve by the committee, or the committee can form and they can solve by the majority of the decision. Those are the majority of the rule. Political equality secured by the principles of the one man one vote, which means implies that the will be privileged sections claiming special weightage, nor any underprivileged sections whose voice is ignored. Means all peoples are answerable or vote or right for the vote in the committees or take a decision or majority of the rules. Though no discrimination to allow the ground of the religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, ownership, property. The principles of the majority realize on the windows of the majority. These are the majority of the rule. Third principle. Then next we can see in the fourth principle, government and rule of the constitution. The constitutional government means the government by the law rather than by men. The democracy requires the infinitely complex machinery of the process, produces and institution to translate the majority will be into the action. One of the compromise with the laws, rampant and incorruption of the democracies. These are the four major principles of the democracy. Then now we can see in the dimension of the democracy. in that three different dimensions. First is the social democracy. In social democracy is the political, social and economic ideology which support the economic and social intervention to the promote the social justices were answerable to the political now. In this social democracy, a representation of democratic measures and the economic life, economy in the provisions. In social democracy, the aim to create the constitution for the capitalism to lead the greater democratic elitism and solidaric outcomes. In Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar, of the chairman of the drafting committee to Constitution, strongly advocate the social democracy. Now, second is the in the social democracy there are core values of the social democracy, that freedom, equality and fraternity. The also the reflect the legal foundations of the United Nations, fundamental rights. That are the social democratic dimensions. In that six different fundamental right. This fundamental right we can see in next lecture all in detail. Now, second dimension is the economic democracy. In economic democracy, the stakeholder democracy is a socio-economic philosophy that propose to shift a decision-making power from the corporate managers and corporate the shareholders to the larger group of the public. Stakeholders are include the workers, customers, suppliers, neighbors. No single definition to approach the economics democracy, but is most propounds the claim modern property, relaxation, externalized caste, subordinate in general where is being the private profit and they be quality in the democratic voice in the economic policy. In addition to the moral concern, economic democracy is a practically claim to compensate and diminish the gap. Then last dimension is the political democracy. Political democracy means the people to choose their leader and hold their leaders accountable to policies and their conduct in office. The people decided who will be represented in the parliament and who will be a head of the government at a national and local level. These are the different dimensions of the democracy. These are the principles and dimensions of the democracy. In this video, I was cover the all principle and dimension. Now, in next videos, I will cover the fundamental rights of the democracy. Okay, thank you.